Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stewed turkey. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of turkey pieces, like thighs or drumsticks, along with hearty vegetables such as carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. Don't forget your favorite herbs, spices, a good quality broth, and a touch of tomato paste to build a rich flavor profile. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll focus on browning the turkey, a crucial step for deep flavor. Pat your turkey pieces thoroughly dry with paper towels. Then, in a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat a couple of tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Sear the turkey on all sides until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This caramelization adds incredible depth to your stew. Once browned, remove the turkey and set it aside, leaving those flavorful bits in the pot. Now let's build the aromatic base for our stew. In the same pot, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery until they soften and become fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Deglaze the pot with about 1/4 cup of broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Stir in a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste, your chosen herbs, and spices, then pour in the remaining broth. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a slow simmer. Return the brown turkey pieces to the pot, nestling them into the rich liquid. Add your cubed potatoes or any other root vegetables you prefer. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and let it cook for approximately 2 hours or until the turkey is wonderfully fork tender. The flavors will meld beautifully, creating a comforting and satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade stewed turkey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.